So for question 20, we have to determine if the dry strength of a paper towel is greater than or less than the wet strength of the paper towel. And we can tell from the options that the dry strength of a weighted towel is when it's 100% of D. And we know that from the figures that it's always only less than 100% of D. In figure 1, the range is between 10 to 18% of W by D, and in figure 2 also it goes all the way up to 50, but it never goes close to 100. So this is actually a very straightforward question, and so we can say that the dry strength, which is 100% of D, is obviously greater than the wet strength of the paper towel. So now we have to choose between F and G. Both of them say greater. Now F doesn't really make sense because it says greater, but then it says each average wet strength was greater than 100% of D. That doesn't make sense because we just established that the dry strength of a paper towel is greater than the wet strength of a paper towel. So the answer is G, greater. Each average wet strength W was less than 100% of D.